Hello dear friends of the folded sheet. Today we fold this cute dog. It doesn't need any special paper. I'm using 15 times 15 centimeters kami, but normal paper will also work. We start by folding with the white side up if you have dual color, and we fold both diagonals. Make sure those are nice and precise because all other folds depend on the first few folds, so really do take your time. If I'm folding too fast, feel free to stop at any time. That's the great thing about a video. Then fold 3 corners towards the center. Sometimes this is called a Blintz fold. Usually done with all 4 corners in, but today we only fold 3. Turn over the model and fold the lower edge towards the center line we just created and release the lower corner so it sticks out like so. Rotate the model so you fold away from yourself. Fold this edge towards the center here again. And again, release the corner. Next step is a squash fold. For that, we do a pre-crease by folding in this corner here at a 45-degree angle and make sure that you crease strongly through all the layers. Then lift up this corner here, the top layer, and push it down like so. That is a squash fold. Do the same thing with the other corner over here. Strong fold. Lift up that top layer here and push it over. Again, if I'm too fast, just stop. It's normal. I already know the model and you're seeing it for the first time. That is normal. From here to here we make a fold. Lift up that corner here. Oh, that got a little crumpled. So nice strong crease. Then we rotate and connect this point with this point. It's also shown in the diagram how the paper will move. So we are folding through a lot of layers and rearrange that corner here. Nice 90-degree angle. And we do the same thing on the other side. And what we will do is basically a giant rabbit ear. So that means we fold from both sides at the same time like this. We bring them together, push, and then we fold up and down, creating another crease. With this large flap we fold behind, and because folding behind is imprecise, we turn over and then fold it. Looks like this. We bring those tops down, and you can already see that is the body of the dog. The large tail is not a tail, but the head. We start with the tail though by doing a crimp. How do we do that? We first make a few pre-creases. This will go down here. So basically the tail goes to the hind legs like this, and then we make another crease at an angle. This is a matter of taste, but this is what mine looks like. Doesn't need to be precisely the same angle. So after we did that, separate those layers here and make sure that both are mountain folds, so that the paper moves away from you like this, and then you can close it. For the crimp, we basically do 2 inside reverse folds after each other, so this also needs to be reversed and then closed again. Feel free to revisit this step and look at it again, but that is how a crimp works. There we go. After that, fold along the color change. If you don't have dual color paper, just fold along the edge of the paper like this, and then fold the white triangle in half here. Wonderful. Okay, Then we separate those layers and push them out like this. And then we do a giant squash fold on both sides at the same time, like this. So the paper moves like so. Put it down. Then we shape the head. Just fold a corner back so we don't have a square-headed dog. Then we do another crimp just like we did with the tail. And I'm trying to make those about the same length. And then I point the tip at the back of the ear. You can see it with a color change. And then I'm folding the tip back again. And once more to make a wide nose for the dog. That looks rather cute. So 90-degree angle parallel. There we go. Then unfold this, separate the layers, make mountain folds, 2 mountain folds that meet each other, and then 2 belly folds that meet each other. Like so. Last step is to fold back the tip. Here we go. That will be the nose. Wonderful. And as one last step, we fold the corners here just in, and that will make the tail also a little smaller. The exact way you do it is really up to you. It's art, not science, so you don't need to copy everything precisely as I do. And that is our dog. For a little more tricky extra step, fold the ear up and then hide the corner behind the ear and just pull the paper and flatten it. There is now a little tension on it, but I think this looks even cuter. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. Please leave me a comment if you did. See you next time. Bye bye.